Dynamic Musa Njoko is famous for many things. She's a motivational speaker, a preacher, a counselor, a musician, a businesswoman, and an HIV/AIDS activist. Musa was one of the first women to publicly disclose her HIV status. She has been living openly and productively with HIV for the past 10 years. She has become a voice for many women who are still afraid to speak about issues affecting them, such as rape, abuse, and HIV/AIDS. Musa is the founder and director of Kanya AIDS Interventions CC. She has been involved in the development of numerous training packages, AIDS policies, and programs for the corporate sector, government, and NGOs, and women and youth groups. Nothing seems to keep Musa's enormous spirit at bay. She was asked to be the guidance counselor for Mnet's reality show, Project Fame. This show was broadcast every day, and Musa ignited the contestants and the viewers with her boundless energy. She is to repeat the role as guidance counselor with this year's Face of Africa contest. She's the project manager of Dance for Life South Africa and has appeared on numerous SABC television shows as well as the Oprah Winfrey Show. She has also appeared in a number of national and international magazines and newspapers. In 2001, she released a 13-track contemporary gospel album. She won a recording deal with Sony Music SA in 2002 and reissued the album as Victory. In 2004, Musa launched the Musa Njoko Ubuntu Award. This award pays homage to the youth for their outstanding work they do in the communities. She has found a kinship in the leaders of our country. Dr. Mangosuthu Buthelezi referred to her as a true ambassador of Christ and a beacon of hope. She has been called to speak at numerous conferences, one of them being the Durban AIDS International Conference in 2000. Musa has been acknowledged many times for her work. She was a finalist in the SABC Checkers Woman of the Year Award in 2002 and 2004. She was the winner of the Amstel Salute to Success Tribute Award.